It's who can make the farthest from here to there.
To the truck. Can we make it to the Volvo truck with our small monster truck?
Daddy.
We're not meant to do those locked diffs. Let's see.
I think you guys just have a better strategy.
I think I just took a better path. Speed and power. All right, look at us. Go! It's the race. It's the race to the truck. Full speed! Full speed! Almost crashed. The Lawless won that by a lot. Like not even by a little bit, by a lot. Go full speed. Oh! You had a whole bunch of tries, and that's as far as you made it. Max Smasher. Oh! All right, next. Oh, not having it. One more time. Do it! Oh! I think the Lawless wins it. Let's see. Oh, ouch. One more try. Wait for me, James. One more try. Oh, it made it around, but in a crash. In the Lawless. Oh, it did it! Oh, it did it! Try it again.
I don't know if I can go in. I'm gonna set it in this time so it doesn't fall out.